Today we are in Eustis, Florida. We are back at Lake Eustis Waterfront Grille. It's almost been 2 years to the day, but we got my parents with us. They've never been here before, so we wanted to come back and show you what it's like. Let's go check it out. So since we've been here, they have added this outdoor bar area, and they are doing some more work. And then here's the restaurant. So they've added, it looks like they've added more parking spots. There's parking spots in front of it. And then if you cross the road here, there's parking spots on that side of the road, additional parking. And they've got a nice little fountain going here, and then boat ramp, lots of boats. So here's that additional parking that way. And then there's some parking over here. Just ran into somebody that watches us. As always, we appreciate when somebody says something. But it doesn't look like there's gonna be any wait. We're gonna sit inside today as it is a warm one here in Florida. All right, we've got restrooms right when you enter through there. Got some merch on the wall. Please wait to be seated over here, which they do have upstairs seating. That's where we sat last time. And then like a little, kind of like an indoor patio area where you can see the water. See the water's just out there. A nice bar here, and also a boat on the ceiling. So upstairs is also nice. They have a bar upstairs, and I don't know where we're gonna sit today, but like I said, last time we were upstairs. Great views downstairs or upstairs. And it looks like we're gonna be downstairs this time, and right here by the water. Perfect. So there's the outdoor seating, but like I said, it's really hot right now, so let's get started with the drinks list. Signature cocktails, frozen cocktails. They've got a Miami Vice. Haven't had one of those in a while. Dessert cocktails. Drafts, beers. There's some non-alcoholic beers. And then on the back side, wine list. White and reds. All right, so it is a bit loud in here. Sorry about that. I'm gonna try to talk as loud as I can, but we have the starters, waterfront charcuterie experience. The Reuben spring rolls we did get last time, and it was good. Fried green beans there. New at the grill. Crafted handhelds and wings. They have a Monte Cristo, a Reuben. Boneless wings up there with different sauces. And then on the back side, we have entrees and baskets. The alligator basket. Go down the list here. Steak, salads, ribeye, pasta, lobster mac and cheese, sides, kids, drinks. So the website there. Also, I just recommend, if they do have a website, going online because they probably have this menu on there. Look at this flamethrower burger. Wow. I'm not sure what I'm gonna get. You can hear though, it echoes big time in here. So, a little loud. They do have some TVs over there. We might start with the fried green beans. I love some fried green beans. And then if we do that, Timber and I might share something. Look at the swamp fries. Holy smokes. And some new items here. I was looking at the shrimp basket, but I have a feeling it's probably fried. So far, we've been here about 10 minutes and haven't got drinks ordered yet. or waited on, so it is taking a little bit, just so everybody knows. Went with the half and half tea. And then as far as the shrimp dinner, there are a total of 8 in that. And then the shrimp basket always comes fried. You can't change that. So I was thinking maybe my mom and I will share the shrimp dinner. And she was thinking about getting a salad, which I was also thinking about getting a salad, so we might do that. But then we did order the fried green beans. Timber, do you have an idea what you're getting at? No? You know what you're getting?
Yeah, I think I'm going to get the peel and eat shrimp and get a house salad with it.
Oh. So right here, the Old Bay?
Oh, yeah.
Nice. A half pound or full pound?
Probably half pound.
And then also Timber and I are going to share boneless wings 10. Are you going to do teriyaki?
Yes.
With a ranch. And we're just going to kind of share everything at the table, all of us are, because we'll have quite a bit of shrimp and some wings. And then we've got the fried green beans. And since we are sharing, we're going to upgrade to the full pound of the peel and eat. Here's the half and half tea. That's a really good consistency. Everybody else has water. Timber, have you tried it yet? Not good on the water? So we have not placed our order yet, but we did get our green beans, and those look great. There's a lot of them there. Excited to try those. Here is the green bean. I will say the ones at Coach's and Inverness so far are the best. I love their like honey mustard they use with it. Here's ranch. Those are actually pretty good. I would get them again. They have a nice batter on them. This is a very good serving size of the fried green beans. A lot going on here. So here is just a house salad, which is big. And our side was 2 house salads, but they combined it to 1 big salad, which kind of makes it a little more difficult to share, but they did give us an extra plate, and they're bringing another plate and ranch. So I guess we'll just make this salad and split it 3 ways. So a bit confused here because my dad ordered a side salad, and we ordered 2 side salads, but she said they combined the 2 side salads into this one, but it's the same size as that one. I don't know. We're just going to share all the salad, I guess. Again, not sure what combination they ended up giving us, but we all have salads now. And they brought the rest of the food. So here is a pound of the shrimp. Here are the wings. Those actually look like really good wings. And then looking back at it now, I don't think that would really be enough to share portion size for the shrimp dinner, but we got them grilled. By far though, this seems like one of the better values because that's a lot of big shrimp. And then the wings are a really good value here. I don't think we've tried them before, so I'm curious to see how they are. Let's try the grilled shrimp first. That's actually pretty good. And the cocktail sauce is good. Some think it's a slightly spicy. I did not get the spice yet, but Timber, how are the wings? Good. It might actually just be the Old Bay seasoning that's causing the spice. Peel and eat. Yeah, there's a slight spice to the Old Bay seasoning on there, but I think it's good. I think I like the peel and eat better than the grilled. So the full pound is actually a ton of shrimp. Maybe if you're sharing some other things, do half a pound. And also the 10 wings, since they're so big, that's a lot. Still eating, but slowing down slightly. I'm gonna try a wing, but it's too hard to eat and film that, so I'll just let you know what I think. Yeah, they're pretty good. I think they are a little overcooked, but I mean, the teriyaki flavor is really good.
Yeah.
And
good size.
Good size. We finished it. Still have some green beans left, but that was a lot of food. So they didn't have a dessert menu, but they have cheesecake, chocolate lava cake, key lime pie, pineapple upside down cake, 3-layer chocolate cake, I think are the desserts they have. We ended up going with the key lime pie just to see what it's like. Here is the key lime pie. Here it is. So flavors key lime, but it is a little tart. And texture-wise, you were saying that it's like
grainy.
Grainy.
Grainy's the word. Here is a look at the final bill. So I'm just curious to see what they did for the salads. Oh, so they charge like the a la carte salad. It's kind of expensive for the key lime pie, but total $91.98. And it's just really sweet with the green stuff added on top. There's a lot of people in here. And then look outside now. We also forgot to mention they do have carrot cake. All right, time to head outside. I wonder how busy upstairs is at the moment because it was very busy down here. Oh, look at this, 1910. All of these photos are like from 1910. Cool. Thank you for dining with us today. You can see how many vehicles are here now compared to earlier. So it's currently, what time do we got? 6:38. Probably took what, a little over an hour? Yeah. So we were here just before, I think we were here about 5:15. It's beautiful out now though, it feels great. That was our trip out to Lake Eustis Waterfront Grille here in Eustis. Overall, we said it was a good average restaurant. Yeah. There were some things we would get again. I think your best value is the pound of shrimp. Yeah. That was by far probably the best thing there. Yeah, it was good. I also enjoyed the fried green beans.
Salad was good.
Salads were also very good. Little mix up there based on the sizes, but huge salad. And also would not get the dessert again. I would probably choose something else. Yeah. And wings were okay. They're okay. Now I will say, even though it took a while, our waitress was very good. She did apologize. There was a bit of a mix-up, yeah, but she was helping a lot of tables and did her best, so we appreciate that. Yeah. Overall, parents thought the same thing. They said the shrimp was the best deal. So if you're in the area, also, there's a pile driver in downtown Eustis somewhere. You can't see it from here, but that's what that loud noise is in the background. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but they are just smacking away. So, but I think we're gonna call it. With that being said, that does it for tonight. Thanks for watching.